Blessed and big up once again. You don't know this is Shutterflow TV round here. My people, much love as always. You don't know. Protection and guidance from the Creator. Alright? So, right now, I just want to jump down and talk about some things, what take place, with the whole heap of crime and violence what take place in a Rasta. Them things are judgment for fatherland, You understand? So when enough people out there look for judgment, boy, may I tell you, you want more judgment than what go on pan this land, yeah? Chaotic, worldwide, killing and them things that take place everywhere. It's the only thing that some places have a little bit more upgrade than some. You understand when it come to like police and soldier and them stuff there. You see what me I say? But this thing get out of hand. And it's not getting any better. When last you hear some good news? Every day you get up, every news you hear are something negative. Nothing positive at all. Pitting in the top, missing day by day, minute by minute, second by second. Them things you get bad. The little youth them, the little future generation them. Traumatized. Mental mash up. And some people just go out there and tear down the whole world apart, man. It's bad. You see what I say? And then at the end of the day, where the justice there? Boy, this thing I tell you, say it again from bad to worse. That's all me can say. Shooting, killing a go on everywhere. You understand what I say? Right now, the innocent them right now, me I tell us and I have. It's like we really don't have no way to hide. Me I tell you that. Because if you build your house all under the ground, people still find you. The wicked them still come at you. And the one thing when me don't like is so much people, especially the elder people, them will work so hard for them little life, little living, little earning money where they got. And them little young something them just come and take you from them and take their life on top of that. Them things are done right, Rasta. You understand what I say? Me have to shed some light on them things because them things are serious corruption. You understand? Me read that thing the other day, I mean, I go just say, I just Jamaica alone, but me read that thing the other day. See, when it comes to justice, like how much percent of out of 100 crime will never yet get solved in Jamaica. When you call a police, it take them a week before they show up. But make a jugs, then they on the spot before you even finish come off of the phone. And make a guns. You see what happen? Because if something in that for them, then tired of corruption. Tired of corruption, Rasta. And it not get no better. You see what I say? But then again, you can't blame the police and the soldier them and them because them alone can control everybody on the planet, yeah? You have things we need to put in place to make things better. Work structure to put in place where man figure work. You understand? And these things. And search for the lazy one them where out there do the crime and killing and murder. And clean up the place. You understand? Things have to put together, structure have to put together for help the local younger messed up mental youth them. Because the life where they live and the structure where they go through, they can't do no better because nobody know the to guide them. And we put government in place and tell government say run the place, but yet them are run down the place down in the place. Them things are done right. This is what I say. You understand what I say? Once a man, twice a child. You have to protect the young youth them, the baby, the child. And you have to protect the elder them. We as the middle class are we protector. We. You understand? I have to teach the young youth them. You understand what I say? One man can't do it. Everybody have to come together and make this thing possible. You see what I say? Boy, may I tell you, say John Rastafari, me go get rid of all of my TV in my house because me can't turn it. Not even a movie me can't watch again. You can't even find a good, decent movie. You can't. Everything just flip upside it down. Look like me I forgot act my own movie with me in it where you call it play and have fun with it. You understand? This thing a bad, man. And all them are show the social media and all of these things where them are show the local younger youth. Them not have them need to have more restriction on certain things, Rasta. The little youth them can get too much access to too much information that is not right. But at this them one with the world, I expect the world like to be a better place. John Rastafari, believe you me, no Father God. Me have to give thanks and praise every day in this, you know. Because believe you me, no, my faith in a Father God that hold me, you know. Me not go mental crazy. Remember me tell you that. It's corrupted bad. We need a change for the youth them. Or we need to start to no wait upon government. Make each and every one of us if we can help the youth them. Especially the man them we have whole heap of youths there around them. Teach them the right thing. You see what I say? But my people, me just want to say that, you know, me just want to bless and big up on yourself as always, you know. And have a blessed and a wonderful day again, yeah, man. Until then, bang.